10 mysterious creatures created by mad scientists. Mad scientists have long been a source of fascination, fear, and speculation. In fiction, they're often portrayed as monstrous villains bent on destroying the world with their incredible inventions and outlandish creations. But in reality, some of these mad scientists actually created creatures that are just as strange and intriguing as anything we've seen in the movies. These creatures are not only mysterious and captivating, they're also a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of some of the world's most brilliant minds. From genetically engineered creatures to robots and cyborgs, these experiments often pushed the boundaries of scientific knowledge and opened up new possibilities for our understanding of life. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most mysterious creatures created by mad scientists. Number 1. Glowfish. Glowfish are unique creatures that have been created by scientists through a careful, advanced process. These small fish are genetically modified to glow in the dark and sport a range of loud, captivating colors. The fish itself glows brightly in blue, green, yellow, and red, quite characteristic of a radioactive fallout. With an incredibly short lifespan of 2 years and no natural habitat to inhabit, these bioengineered creatures remain largely confined to labs and home aquariums. Its creation has allowed it to be widely available, regardless of time constraints or environmental obstacles, so pet owners across the world can get a glimpse of this extraordinary marvel. Number 2. Zombie dogs. When it comes to mysterious creatures, zombie dogs are at the top of the list, and for good reason. They were a chilling creation, created when already dead dogs were reanimated through experiments in electroplating and electricity conducted by 19th century mad scientist Victor Frankenstein-esque figures. This subject was widespread throughout Europe, and many wrote accounts of their fear and revulsion towards these monsters of science. Although never officially proven and impossible to see now, zombie dogs remain one of the most mysterious creatures ever created by a mad scientist. Number 3. Spider goats. One of the strangest creations belongs to the recently uncovered spider goat, a hybrid animal created by mad scientists. The spider goats are fascinating in that they possess both characteristics from goats and spiders. They boast 4 legs with hooves similar to a goat's, yet their fur is full of spines akin to many spider species. Additionally, for all that appears ordinary about this small animal, it sports 8 extra eyes on its head. Albeit hard to believe, these eyes have been observed moving independently of each other. What may be even more disconcerting about this odd creature is its ability to both walk and run across walls like ordinary arachnids. To summarize, the spider goats are just one example of the peculiar but wholly unique creatures resulting from mixing and melding various species together in a laboratory setting. Number 4. Sterile pink ballworm. The sterile pink ballworm is an experiment that scientists are still trying to wrap their heads around. It's a mutant species created by exposing pink ballworm moths to radiation, and it only breeds itself. The discovery of this species was revolutionary, as nothing like it had ever been done before. Research into the sterile pink ballworm has unlocked hitherto unknown secrets regarding the potential of all living beings, leading to many scientists wondering what other creatures may have been created in the past under similar conditions. Unsurprisingly, the experiment sparked outrage and debate about the ethics of using animals for medical testing. But given this incredible feat was achieved more than 2 decades ago, it's worth considering what exciting new developments these mad scientists will bring next. Number 5. Vacanti mouse. One of the most mysterious creatures created by mad scientists, and deserving of a spot on any of the list's greatest creations, is the Vacanti mouse. Its unique creation hit headlines worldwide and helped demonstrate the significant progress that's been made with tissue engineering technology. They revealed a creature with an ear growing out of its back. While the ear wasn't functional, it featured cartilage and other tissue that had been developed from human cells in the lab, producing a remarkable sight, sort of like science fiction come to life. Unsurprisingly, the experiment sparked outrage and debate about the ethics of using animals for medical testing. But given this incredible feat was achieved more than 2 decades ago, it's worth considering what exciting new developments these mad scientists will bring next. Number 6. Belgian blue. The Belgian blue is a bovine that even mad scientists can admire for its muscle mass. Named after the country of Belgium, this creature has an amazing double muscling phenotype, meaning it's significantly larger and more muscular than average cattle. It was created by crossbreeding various British and European breeds of domestic cattle. Belgian Blue is the result of a stunningly successful experiment in genetic modification. Many scientists were deeply skeptical of the ethical implications of this experiment, but it produced a breed of cows that are often described as double-muscled. This means that their muscles are larger and more developed than average, giving them an increased ability to convert feed into muscle mass. Number 7. Fast-growing salmon. The fast-growing salmon is a mysterious creature thought to have been created by mad scientists. This fish is capable of growing from the size of a fingerling to maturity at an accelerated rate compared to that of normal salmon. Not only does this raise questions about the biological implications that such an environmentally disruptive change could cause, it also opens a door to further exploration into the possibilities of bioengineering. Although such speculations have only scratched the surface thus far, there is no denying that this enigmatic species has certainly made it onto the list of creations spawned by science gone mad. Number 8. Sudden death mosquito. One creature bound to be on any mad scientist's list of mysterious creatures is the sudden death mosquito. This hybrid bug, created by combining a mosquito with a hornet, was developed with the intention to end both insect-borne and human conflict. The insect transmits an incredibly potent neurotoxin that causes a sudden death within minutes of being stung, leaving no time for one to mount a defense or even call for help. While its initial goal was noble in nature, fear of this species caused it to be banned quickly, as governments feared who would get their hands on such a powerful weapon. It remains one of the most mysterious and potentially deadly creatures ever created by man. Number 9. Naked chicken. Naked chicken is a mutant generated in a laboratory in China when genetic engineering was used to breed the feathers off a chicken. The result, a small featherless creature with rooster-like features, is said to be an experiment gone wrong. Scientists admired the cosmetic appeal of a naked chicken and made it their mission to create a breed that boasted only skin for protection. However, it's also claimed that the naked chicken yields more nutritious and tender meat than regular chickens, and better still, doesn't require plucking before being cooked. Curiously enough, rumors have been circulating that naked chicken has become an underground delicacy of sorts in some parts of the world. While eating such a creature is certainly unconventional, it's safe to say that naked chicken definitely tops the list as one of the most unique creatures created through mad science experiments. Number 10. Lab-made chimeras. Lab-made chimeras are a mysterious creature created by mad scientists. These are organisms that are a combination of two very different species and were created in labs, either with the help of genetic engineering or crossbreeding. Some examples of successful lab-made chimeras are mules, a hybrid created between a donkey and a horse, as well as bred cats with unusual colors and patches on their coats. What's really fascinating is the fact that these creatures have properties that lie somewhere between those of their parent species. Scientists splice together the genes of different animals to create these artificial beings, and their body parts even sometimes take on characteristics of multiple species. While some species see them as complex objects of scientific fascination, others consider them monsters because of their out-of-the-ordinary appearances. Controversy still exists around the ethical implications of creating such creatures in a lab setting, but researchers are continuing to explore this incredible area of science. Here you go. There you have it, 10 mysterious and strange creatures created by mad scientists. From the sudden death mosquito to naked chicken, these creations are certainly unique and potentially dangerous. While further research is needed to determine how these creatures will fit into the world, it's not hard to appreciate just how creative mad scientists can be. So the next time you hear about a peculiar creature, remember that it's all thanks to some brave or perhaps reckless scientists out there experimenting within the boundaries of life. Who knows, maybe one day we'll even have our own pet chimeras. Until then, we can enjoy these fascinating creatures created by mad scientists. Bye for now.